Hello kids, this is your EVS class. So today we are going to start our second semester syllabus, and the name of the lesson is Animal World. It is Unit 4, Our Nature. In Unit 4, Our Nature, we are going to study about 4.1 Animal World. So what are we going to learn here? Here we are going to learn about different kinds of animals. So before learning this, we will do what? We will read it. So open page number 95. See here, wild and domestic animals. There are different kinds of animals and birds in our surroundings. Some animals are called wild animals. They live in the jungle. It is not safe to keep them at home. We can see them in zoos and national parks. See here, these are the animals. Which one is this? Tiger, rhinoceros, lion, deer, hippopotamus, giraffe, fox, and this one is elephant. Have you seen these animals, kids? You must have seen this in national parks and zoos. Now open page number 96. Some animals are called domestic animals. It is safe to keep them near our home. They help us in many ways. Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. Sheep give us wool. Horses, camels and bullocks draw our carts and carriages. Donkeys, horses and camels carry loads for us. The horse and the camel also give us joy rides. The dog guards our home. So these are domestic animals. Let's see which are those. Cows, buffaloes, goats. This one is what? Camel, horses, donkey, sheep, etc. So, do you know the large ears of the rabbit help it to hear even the faintest of sounds. The large ears of rabbit help it to hear even the faintest of sounds. Birds are the only creatures that have feathers. A cat has 32 muscles in each ear. Laika is the name of the dog that went first into space. Elephants are the largest living land animal in the world today. So let's start learning. So we will learn about wild animals first. This lesson is about animal world, wild animals and domestic animals. Now tell me, what are wild animals? See, there are different kinds of animals and birds in our surrounding. There are many kinds of animals in our surrounding, and also there are many kinds of different kinds of birds are there in our surrounding. Some animals are called wild animals. What kind of animals? Wild animals. Now let's see what are wild animals. Wild animals are the animals which live in jungle. Where do these animals live? Wild animals live in the jungle. They live in the jungle. It is not safe to keep them at home. It is not safe to keep them at home. You cannot keep these animals at home. You cannot keep wild animals at home because they are wild ones and their home is jungle. We can see them in zoos and national park. You can see some of the wild animals in zoos and national parks. So these are the wild animals. Tiger is a wild animal. Rhinoceros, lion, deer, hippopotamus, elephant, fox and giraffe. Can you put elephant at your home? Can you keep elephant at your home? No. Can you keep tiger at home? No. Can you keep a rhinoceros at home? No. Then lion? No, we cannot keep these animals at our home because their home is jungle. But some people keep these animals in zoos and national park. So you can see, if you cannot go to jungle and see these animals, you can go to zoos and national park. It is safe to see these animals in zoos and national parks only. So what you have to do to see these animals? You can visit zoo or any national park to see these animals. What kind of animals? Wild animals. So which are these wild animals? Tiger, rhinoceros, lion, hippopotamus, deer, elephant, fox, giraffe and many are there. Now let's learn about domestic animals. Some animals are called domestic animals. Animals that you can keep as a pet or keep near your house. It is safe to keep them near our home. See, it is safe to keep these domestic animals near our home. Not necessarily at your home, but you can keep them near your home. They help us in many ways. These domestic animals help us in many ways. For example, cow, buffaloes and goats give us milk. We get milk from cows, buffalo and goats. The milk we drink. Nature's wellness drink. Have you heard about milk? Milk is a nature's wellness drink. You must have heard about it. So, this milk, nature's wellness drink, is we get this milk from cows, buffaloes and goats. Sheep gives us wool. Sheep give us wool. We get wool from sheep. We get wool from sheep. Sheep give us wool. Horses, camels and bullock draw our carts and carriages. See here, horses, camels and bullocks draw our carts and carriages. Donkeys, horses and camels carry our loads for us. See here, donkeys, horses and camels do what? They carry load for us. The horse and the camel also give us joy rides. Have you ever sat on camel or horse? These animals, horse and camel, also give us joy rides. The dog guards our home. The dog guards our home. See here, dog helps us the dog helps us by guarding our home. It doesn't let any stranger come in our house. It starts barking. This is how a dog guards our home. So these are the domestic animals. So see here, do you know? So here are some interesting points that we are going to learn. The large ears of rabbit help it to hear even the faintest of sounds. Birds are the only creature that have feathers. A cat has 32 muscles in each ear. How many muscles? 32 muscles in each ear. Laika is the name of the dog that went first into the space. What is the name of the dog that went first into the space? Laika. Elephants are the largest living land animals in the world today. So this was about animal world. Unit number 4, our nature, animal world. So here we learnt about domestic animals and wild animals. So this is enough for today's class. In next class we will solve the exercise related to our lesson. So till then, take care and study well.